Today we travel to Timonium, Maryland, to one of the best-smelling manufacturing facilities in the state. Drawn in by the sweet smells of granola, oats, cinnamon, and so many more flavors. In this episode of Maryland MEPs Make It in Maryland Beyond the Loading Dock, we visit Michele Tsucalas, owner and founder of Micheles Granola, to get a first-hand look at just how this tasty granola is made from scratch.
I'm Michele Tsucalas, founder and owner of Micheles Granola, a small batch granola baker based in Maryland. I started out at home making a half a dozen bags in my kitchen each week, and then we rented our first commercial kitchen down in South Baltimore and just grew person by person and batch by batch. We want what we're offering to be different and better than anything else out there. So keeping it small and keeping it real as we grow is really important to us.
To give us this look beyond the loading dock, we're joined by Paul Manu, Director of Operations at Micheles Granola.
So as we walk down this aisle, we're going to go right into the start of our production process.
Every great batch of granola begins with a kitchen steward who is responsible for measuring, prepping, and batching all of the best ingredients to get them ready for the production team. Micheles sources ingredients from suppliers all over the world who share the same commitment to excellence and belief in being good stewards of the environment. Once the ingredients are prepared, we head through the doors to the production floor where the real magic happens. Next, the ingredients are blended together in large mixing bowls based on the recipe for the flavor of the batch being produced. Micheles processes 30,000 pounds of granola each week, including tasty flavors like cinnamon raisin, almond butter, original, and many more. The blending process includes 2 cycles to ensure quality. The first is a short run on the automated mixer, and the second is a hand blend to ensure the texture and consistency of each batch. The fully blended ingredients are then transferred to the baking sheets for the hand process of patting, the final stage before baking. The hands-on approach to this step ensures uniformity of each batch and a final quality control for impurities before the baking process. In one of the most critical steps of the production process, the prepared granola is placed onto baking racks, which are then wheeled directly into large industrial ovens. On average, Micheles prepares and bakes more than 2,000 trays of granola each day.
So one of the things that's really special about Micheles Granola is that we've kept the techniques and the process of making the granola much the same as they were when I started in my home kitchen. We've been able to scale a production operation, keeping that process consistent the whole way along. That is really, I think, what has helped separate our brand in the marketplace as we've grown.
The fully baked and cooled granola is then ready for packaging. Team members scoop granola into the bags, which are weighed, closed, and sealed to ensure that quality and flavor is locked into every bag. In the final step of the process, bags are packaged into Micheles' customized cases where they can be shipped out to customers, distributors, and more than 1,300 grocery stores in the U.S. Customers can find Micheles on the shelves of retail and e-commerce behemoths like Whole Foods, Giant, and Amazon. Granola can also be purchased directly from Micheles' website. Some of Micheles' most famous customers include Jason Mraz, who enjoys Micheles Granola while on tour. Micheles' secret ingredient actually lies in her amazing leadership and vision for creating a company that is equally committed to best-in-class product, employee satisfaction, and environmental sustainability.
We're focused on building a team of real people who are making real food for other real people and creating jobs and really providing an opportunity for consumers to enjoy a product that isn't otherwise available to them.
I love working for a women-owned business. I've never had so much say in what my job is and could be, or been heard out so much even before I was in a leadership position. So I started out working on the floor and have been able to grow with the company and support the company's growth. So it's been really exciting.
Thanks in no small part to Micheles' secret ingredient and the passion of her employees, Micheles continues to experience significant growth and is ready to expand operations for the 3rd time in less than 5 years.
When I started 8 years ago, there were probably 10 people on the production team, and that's now a team of 70.
This commitment to quality and community is demonstrated through Micheles Granola by giving 1% of all sales back to the community.
We're interested in increasing our impact in our wider community, and growth will help us do that. So we have a charitable giving program where we give 1% of all of our sales revenues back to organizations all across the country that are working in their communities to improve access to healthy foods.
The passion for making great food and for giving back are what make Micheles Granola a truly special place. And with such amazing flavors, we can't wait to get our hands on the next batch of incredible granola. Thank you for joining us for this episode of Make It in Maryland's Beyond the Loading Dock.
I'm Michele Tsucalas, and I am proud to make it in Maryland.